Plan ahead. Make sure you have a detailed itinerary that includes all of your stops, activities, and accommodations. Research the areas you'll be visiting to make sure you have everything you need. Pack smart. Bring everything you need for camping, such as a tent, sleeping bags, and cooking supplies. Pack enough food and water for your entire trip, and be sure to bring extra supplies in case of emergency. Stay safe. Always follow safety guidelines, such as keeping a safe distance from wildlife, keeping your campsite clean, and using proper fire safety techniques. Be sure to bring a first aid kit and know how to use it. Respect the environment. Leave no trace of your campsite, and follow local laws and regulations for camping. Be mindful of the impact you have on the environment and strive to minimize it. Have fun, enjoy the natural beauty of your surroundings, and take advantage of all the activities your campsite has to offer. Bond with your fellow campers and create lasting memories.